I'm gonna see how the machete goes. Hey guys, welcome to Wild Hope Homestead. We've got some rather cold nights coming, a few in a row that will probably be frosts, at least some of them. We've still got the kumara in the ground, so we're going to have to get that out today because it's going to be cold tonight, I think. We need to get it out before there's a frost so the kumara don't go to mush. Now that Angus is home, it's time to dig the kumara out of the front plot since he likes digging for treasure. I'm not overly sure about how big they're going to be, but hopefully it'll be better than last year at least when they were just pretty tiny. I got them in sooner, although I still could have got them in earlier, and I don't think the ones down the far end will have done very well because it got very weedy, so that suppressed their growth a little bit. So we're going to find out. Right, here we are in the front plot, and here is our kumara. It's looking quite fabulous now that it's had a bit more time to grow, except for the bits down the back where it got very weedy. The weeds have died back a bit, and I did pull some of the weeds out, but we definitely need to get it out to get this self-sown kale under control. Definitely looks better down this end. Okay, first we need to cut the greens back a bit to make it easier to dig the kumara out, so I'm going to see how the machete goes. But we'll do that after Scarlet.
He's gonna shitting then. Yeah, he's shitting.
Oh crikey, that's a lot better after Steve sharpened it. And then we'll take the other stuff out of the wheelbarrow and then put the greens in the wheelbarrow. See if the chickens will like to eat them. Otherwise, they can go in the compost. Pretty long vines. Just makes it easier to dig the kumara out if they're not covered in vines. Okay, you can help put the leaves into the wheelbarrow, Scarlet. I've got to put my gloves off, they're getting all sticky. And get the leaves in the Good job, buddy.
What's the milky stuff that comes out of them?
The milky stuff, yeah, that's just what the plants do.
I think you got a kumara in there.
Oh, whoopsies. Oh no. First kumara. We'll put that into the pot. We have our first decent sized one, which is good. Yay. Oh, Scarlett, did you try to eat that? Oh dear. Not to put it in your
I got a
mouth.
big one.
We have to cook them.
Not a big kumara, but a big vine.
You leave them in there. Don't pull the bits off them because that helps them to stay good while they are stored.
I will eat the leaves.
You can actually eat the leaves, but I haven't tried them before. Try it.
I got another one.
Maybe eat it just a small leaf. Oh, whoa. So now
Mommy good at catching.
put them in there.
Whoa!
Oh.
Wow, that's a big slide. This is so big line. Really?
I think if we start digging down this end, just be really careful because they're a bit different to potatoes. So we've got to try not to stab them. It's just a bit dark this time of day.
Oh, I got another one.
Okay.
It's a gun.
Yeah, the tiny one. Okay. No,
But I do have to
Cook
say
it up
there's
as
a
a
ton
chip.
of worms in here.
That's good.
Oh, I see one.
It's a nice little one. There are a lot of worms in here. Yeah. Do you want to put that in the bucket? Yeah, this little chicken, because the finger's got down quite far as well.
I see. Here we go.
Yeah, they're not necessarily all around the base of the pin.
Ooh. Can I hit it's a one. Can I hit it?
Right to the left. Can't really tell what I'm doing.
Or found a root.
Oh, yeah, I'll dig under that one.
Oh. I think.
Carefully. Don't pull on it. Oh, he broke. Put it in the bucket still because we can
Can we make it?
wormy. We can still use the little ones as chips.
I think I got it.
Oh yay.
Wait a sec. This is like a bean pod.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Mommy, these are weird. I can
Oh, good mycelium. Oh! Oh no, did I stab him?
Only a
Not.
Oh, that's okay.
Stop them from going down too far at this end anyway. I'll carefully. Whoa! That's like. That's a monster. Well, not an actual monster. Oh, it's got a tree root. Oh. Hold on, I'm getting closer. Oh no! Okay, just wait for me to help, buddy. There's a bit of pink. Yeah, that was probably his tail, wasn't it?
No.
Oh no, that's another one. Try not to break them off, otherwise they don't store very well. If you break them. Okay, Scarlett. There's one there. Okay. Let's Scarlett get one too. Oh,
I heard it, Dad.
oh cool.
Is there?
Might be a tree there.
Or the giantest Kumara on Earth made of concrete.
Oh, it's too far for me. Oh, good. You just pulled it out of a hole.
Around this side.
Oh, tree roots on this side. Oh yeah. There we go. Look at that. I think I'm digging out far enough.
I think Lucky's on this side.
Those ones were planted sooner. Those were the first ones I planted, and these ones, yeah, along this side, the front part were the last ones I planted. So those ones get longer to grow and more of the sunny poppy leaves. Oh dear. You can use the fork to gently dig around it, or maybe get the black fork. Oh. Because if you yank, you really got to dig around them a bit more. Get it?
I'll go get my own.
Because they break quite easily, don't they?
Here it is. Can I hold it?
Was there anything on the end of it? Tree root.
No. That's like the side.
Where's it going? Down under the path.
Are you sure that's even on?
I don't know. But it could be.
Looks like it.
I mean, it's definitely a Kumara one, but I'm not sure if there's anything at the end.
Wait a sec.
Oh, there's a little.
Hello!
There's a little one. Ta-da!
Big guy versus little guy.
Yeah. Old guy versus young guy.
That's about the same size.
Good. Another little one. Yeah, these ones just didn't have as much time as the other ones. Just goes to show. Long growing. Oh. Growing time has to be.
Oh, these are big green.
Oh, big one. Get one in the bucket.
This is a big boy.
Oh, that's a nice fit one. Woohoo.
That's even bigger than both of the big ones.
Yeah, orange ones. I put the orange in. I know they were on this side. Some of them were down there, and I think there was some.
Oh, another big one.
You've got the exciting side. I've got the slow side. Wait, is it an orange colour or is it tree root?
Ta-da!
I think it's tree root. Ta-da! You pop them in the bucket.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Tree root. Every time I put the fork in, there's a tree root. Whoa!
I don't have any important race.
Yeah.
Although I have to dig up lots of Kumara.
This big tree, man. Look, it's going under the soil.
It's getting bigger, so that's a big tree.
Oh, Mummy's just giving the tree roots out.
Can I see? Got it.
Go! I got one. Woo! Go Scarlet. That one was in the middle.
Here you go, Scarlet. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Mommy, I got buy something.
You got those?
Ta-da!
Another one. Well, we've gotten most of the row done, but we can't finish because I've got to go quickly get dinner ready because Angus has to go out. But We've done 2/3 of it, no more than 2/3, 3/4 maybe, almost. So at least that's done. So we've done up to over there. And this is how many we've got so far. That's a big pot. So it's a decent haul so far, and we'll see how many we get from the far end when we get to that. Hopefully they'll be okay in the ground tonight, but we'll just have to wait and see. We're doing round 2 of harvesting the Kumara now, trying to get the last little bit at the end of the row done, which is a little bit thwarty because there are kale plants in there and some grass weeds to get out of the way as well. It's supposed to be slightly cooler tonight than it was last night. So, and more cooler nights after that. The first actual frost, proper frost, is coming. So we gotta get these out. It's like a little forest of baby kales. I don't really want to rip those out. They're everywhere. Maybe we could harvest them for microgreens. They're right where the kumara is. It is taller than scarlet. A big old kale. This kale tree. Chickens will enjoy that. Let's see if we can save the smaller ones, but I don't know. And I am saving the kale forest for microgreens.
Come out! Good little wormy.
Da 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 da.
Do you think you can hold it, Scarlett? Yeah.
That's pretty heavy. Whoa. Whoa. Today's amount. We'll add them with the others and weigh them tomorrow. And microgreens for dinner. We finished harvesting all the kumara, so that's good. And I need to go cook dinner. Story of my life in the evenings. We didn't get as many down that end, they were a bit smaller. I think it was really weedy down the end, so I think the leaves had a lot of competition and probably the roots a little bit from the weeds, but that's alright, we still got a decent amount overall, I guess, and we tried to save what kales we could. We kind of had to dig them all up, but we transplanted 4 of the smaller ones down the end and see if we can get them to regrow. We've got other kale planted, young kale, but it's always good to have a lot because I freeze them and use them chopped up kale flakes. Thanks for joining us in today's vlog, guys. Choose to grow hope, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.